Free Dentistry Day is really a coming together of everyone to give back to the community. It's not just me, it's not just you, it's everyone in the community giving back to the community.
It's great to give back to the community that has supported the growth of my practice and me as an individual and a professional. I view it as a way to improve people's lives and make a difference, a positive difference.
They're happy to be here. They want to see us, which I think is not very common about people going to the dentist.
They can't afford to take care of these extractions, so they actually are holding off in pain until they're able to see us.
These patients come in who you've never seen before, express to you their pain, their concerns, and you able to help them, and they walk out with that smile. Thank you, doc. The hug that I got earlier today, that was, something else.
When a patient just really gives you a hug and really just has no ability to say words because they just want to show that much appreciation, that's the best currency for me. And that's where I feel the closest at changing a life. It's when I get that one hug.